Monkey? Monkey, where's he been? What time is it? Nearly midday. All right. He looks shattered. Didn't get back at 4 a.m.
Why?
The writer's storm. It was a late one. I had to have a lie down after breakfast. Have you seen John?
I'll tell him I'll see you. Hey, I've been looking for you everywhere.
Sorry, John. A bit late last night.
The man who's doing Yorkshire this evening,
Anthony Hobson?
he called.
Oh, there isn't a problem, is there?
No, he just wanted to ask what time it starts.
I'll do a telephone now.
Very good. Oh, how was the children's event?
What children's event?
You didn't listen.